start off this video by saying, that guy, BL59, whatever, you're a faggot. So yeah. I'm creeping in my vehicle regal. You're my precious, so I guess I'm Smeagol. Listen to my creep, my feet move behind these silent streets. So quiet you can hear my heart beat. You're the worst and I'm the great. I get girls and you still masturbate. I come to terrorize, snort off these white lies. Left on top of the mountain with no air. Too many close calls left me with no hair. Look into my eyes and stare. And death notes would take care. You rappers got fake flows, more use than the hoes. Pick up your feet and enjoy the show. What's a win with no team? Like MLK without a dream. You got game, we'll guess again, because when I start, your career ends. I recommend you check your thoughts. Never known to run from cops, ruler of the underground ring, shoot you down the spleen, put you on the balance beam. My lyrics are blessed from the heavens. You're still alive, it must be lucky seven. Yeah, wait till next video. Spread the word, I guess. Actually, you should. Yeah. Alright, guys. Bye.